Hey everyone, welcome to another video, and in today's video we are going to explore Android development, and we are going to start this journey with a basic Todo application. And I hope that this project will give you that initial push into your journey with Android development. Now to start with, let's first see the demo of this project. And now since this is an Android application, if you click on live demo, it will install an .apk file and it will not properly work in your desktop, so we need to open it in our mobile. So here in my mobile, when I click on live demo, it will basically ask me to download a file, and since I've already downloaded it, asking for download again, and it may give you a warning like it may be harmful, but that's because this file is not registered with Google Play and all, so you can safely download it. But if you feel like not, then it's okay, we will see the preview later on as well. So anyway, I'll download the file, and after installation, this is how the app looks. So let me write a task such as let's say I need to visit my doctor, and let me select the date as 27th of May. Okay, so add task, and once I've done that, I can go to view all, and all my tasks are listed here. Similarly, if I add one more task, let's say dentist, and the dentist is on 31st of May. Okay, and add task. Now as you can see here, it is auto sorted based on date. The first one 24th, then 27th, and then 31. I can also edit these, such as doctor as visit doctor, visit doctor, save them, and here you go. And I can also mark them as done or undone them, and finally I can delete whatever tasks are completed. So that's the basic overview of the project. And coming back to the source code and the how to configure this entire project. So here I am back in my PC, and we're first gonna download the entire project. Let me just check in the background. Okay, now I'm gonna name it as Todo app. You can name it whatever you want. Save it. Once it's downloaded, I'll go to the folder, and it's very important to extract the file, because if you do not extract, then it may not work. Like many people do that mistake. So, and okay, here you already have, inside the source code you also have the project report. Let me just go through it. Here's the entire project report. You can see the table of content. We have the background of the study, problem statement. We have the use case diagrams and all. It's all based on UML diagrams. So the report is pretty according to the standard of various academic credentials. So anyway, let's see how we can run this app. So let me just open this in my terminal. The first thing you need to do is npm install. And also, as we are doing this, I want you to go to expo.dev and create an account. You must create a username and a password, because you will need it when we are converting this to an app. So kindly use your Google and your password. It's important to create a password here. Anyway, moving back, once the npm install is completed, we are going to go and do npm start. Let's just wait for a moment. Okay, now we'll do npm start. So once we did that, you can see the preview of the app. Let it just bundle. Yeah. So if you install Expo Go and scan this QR code, you can see the live app in your phone, the preview. You can edit the code in your PC, and the live changes will be seen in your phone live. Okay, and this is an advantage of Expo Go, because you will not be need to running Android simulator and all in your phone, in your PC, so you save up a lot of RAM. So anyway, you can see the preview here. Finally, in order to create the app, in order to convert this into .apk, we are going to write EAS build Android preview. Okay. So as we did this, we run this command, and it asks if we want to create a git init. So I'm just going to go with yes. And once this is completed, everything will be automated. Your entire file will be sent to export.gave browser that we just created, and if it's your first time, it will ask you for your username and your password. So make sure it's a one-time thing, so you just enter it, and because I've already done that, so it's not asking me. So here you can see its build is being queued. Okay, so you can safely exit this. If I go to build detail, okay, Here you can see the distribution has started. Time elapsed 15 seconds. It may take up to 15 to 20 minutes. So I'm just going to show you another one. Upon completion, it will see something like this. So here you can see it took almost 14 minutes for the build, and it's very common in Android development. Finally, you just got to click on install, and you have to scan this QR code with your phone. It will not work on your PC. So once you scan this phone, you will get the app installing. So that's it for the project. And since you have the source code, you can change around, you can work on the CSS, you can change the functions and all, and you can basically explore. The whole idea of this project is to get an introduction to React Native and app development. And with that being said, I hope you like this video. If you have any issue, you can just go and fill this form. We are ready to help you out with this journey. And with that being said, thank you for watching. Have a great day.